हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये है इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन शॉर्ट का पार्ट 1, जिसमें हम जानेंगे स्टैटिक्स एंड डायनामिक्स, रिजिड बॉडी, फोर्स एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ट्रांसमिसिबिलिटी के बारे में। सो व्हाट इज स्टैटिक्स? इट इज द फोर्स एंड देयर इफेक्ट ऑन बॉडी व्हेन बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट. इट इज नोन एज स्टैटिक्स. And what is dynamics? Force and their effect on body when body is in motion. This is dynamics. Dynamics are divided into two parts. One is kinematics and other is kinetics. So what is kinematics? Body in motion without considering force responsible for motion. So when we don't consider force which is responsible for motion, then it is known as kinematics. And what is kinetics? Body in motion considering forces responsible for motion. When we consider body is responsible for motion along with the equation of motions, then it is known as kinetics. What is rigid body? It is a body in which deformation is zero under external loads, or the distance between all the particles remains constant under the application of external loads. What is force? It is the action of one body on another body that tries to change the motion of another body. Force is a vector quantity. It consists of magnitude, point of application, line of action. For example, here it is given force is equal to 30I minus 15J plus 18K. Force in x direction is 30 Newton, force in y direction is minus 15 Newton, and force in z direction is 80 Newton. So we can calculate magnitude as modulus of force is equal to square root of fx ka square plus fy ka square plus fz ka square. What is transmissibility of force? The point of application of force can be moved anywhere along the line of action of force without changing the external effects of the force on the rigid body. Here is an example. In the first diagram, there is FA in pointing inward the object, but in the second diagram, along the line of action, the force is showing outside of the object, but its external effect is not changed. Here is another diagram. Force is first shown in the left side of the diagram, then in the middle, and then on the right along the line of action. But its external effect on the rigid body remains same. It does not change. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी। फिर मिलेंगे इसी तरह की और वीडियो के साथ, लेकिन उससे पहले वीडियो को करें लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब। धन्यवाद।